Hey guys, in this video I am going to talk about the Keychron K3 that is currently lying on my desk, and more precisely about its battery life. The reason why I'm making this video is that before my purchase 1 month ago, I hadn't been able to find any reliable information on its battery life, so I took some time and I made some measurements, and I thought that you guys might be interested in it. So, with the backlight turned off, it lasted me exactly 10 days of work, which translates to over 80 hours of use. This is a surprising result, since on their website they say that it is supposed to last only 34 hours. Unfortunately, things get much worse when you actually want to use the RGB backlight that you paid for. If you turn the backlight on to the full brightness, the keyboard will only last you 2.5 days, which is around 22 hours. The other thing is, the RGB on this keyboard is really dim when you compare it to other keyboards on the market. So unless you plan to use it only in the very dark rooms, you won't really notice it, and that's not what I expected. As for the switches, I got the cherry brown tactile ones, and I need to tell you that I somewhat regret the purchase. Precisely, I regret that I didn't take the red linear ones, because the tactile response is not good enough to justify the finger fatigue that I'm experiencing. Okay, that's it for the video, and do not get me wrong, even though I talked only about the deficiencies of that keyboard, it's still a pretty good keyboard, and I'm going to use it probably until the Keychron releases the next iteration of it, or maybe even longer, who knows. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope the video was informative, and see you later.